Good morning. So, yes, that is an R2D2 Instant Pot behind me, in case you're wondering. Right here, for my meals laid out for my breakfast, I've got... can't really see there. Okay, so I got a couple eggs, a bit of brunoise of shallot, a little small dice of red pepper, a little diced up leftover kebab from my Easter dinner, and a little bit of cheese. Along with that, of course, we have my equipment: fork to scramble the eggs, spatula for cooking, my pan, and my three basic ingredients that everyone's allowed to use: my salt, my pepper, and a little bit of fat for the pan. In this case, I'm using butter. So, note to self, when measing out eggs to scramble, put them in a bowl big enough you can actually scramble them. This, kind of, not very effective. So, anytime you're making a dish like an omelet or something like that, where you're going to have some veggies in there, you always want to make sure you give them a little saute beforehand, just to take the edge off, bring on some extra flavors, soften them up, because once they go in the omelet itself, they are not going to cook. So, one word of caution when filming: be careful not to get butter all over your phone. Yeah, I just did that. So earlier when I said I was making a 5-ingredient omelet, let me correct that and say maybe I made a 5-ingredient burrito. Definitely a little more burrito-esque than omelet, I would say, but at least it's done. So, things I did well: sauteed my veg ahead of time, made sure all my ingredients were preheated nicely. Pretty good. Things I need to work on: clearly I need to work on my presentation because this thing looks, well, crappy. But there you go.